convinced another one of my friends here to spend a lot of his money. Well worth it, in my opinion. I kind of still swear by stuff. I mean, how can you not want to spend your money on this? Something that looks that good. It's always amazed me like how light these are. Like acrylic, all this stuff's so nice. I'm sure their TIG welds underneath here are absolutely gorgeous too. Got some purdy powder coat hide and all that. Honestly, what I recommend to anybody as well, they're BP inner tire rods as well, because chances are your factory ones are garbage and they're not going to be fun when they come off. So snag yourself some of these as well. And yeah, let's dive on in. So I have this man tearing his bumper off.
Just like that?
You got one right here, I think. Two of them right there. Yeah, so let's see these instructions. I don't really need them. This man's got the fanciness.
I was making sure this thing wasn't fall
Extra
off.
fanciness. You got one more on there.
I missed one. You gave me the largest snips.
Yeah. Small snips are overrated. Dang, look at that, man. Did you already mess up your powder coat?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn. It's junk now.
Junk. That's what they make spray paint for.
Okay. Crack your wheels loose. Oh, yeah. I think it kicks ass for having an M12 battery on it. Oh, hey. Your car might fucking fall.
It'll be alright.
Okay.
Listen, we do things the right way around here. Okay, those ones are tight.
I'm gonna put the jack stands to your foot dashboard.
Cut it off. My favorite part is this.
Yeah.
The way it broke, it left the clip completely intact. The bottom clip held, but I didn't trust it to not be flying, so I just zip tied it.
Alright, you gotta beat them suckers out of there.
Zip ties fix
You gotta beat it like it owes you money.
I can attach the whole front end of this car with zip ties and it'll be just as good as factory.
Yup.
Look how he's got the pickle fork.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, I wish they were all that easy.
That ain't pee, that's dirt.
This is all fucking... This is just gravel dust for my job. It sits in the parking lot for a day and it's just covered.
Well, there's that stuff. Count your full turns to the left. Yeah. Alright, so go 1.5 and see where you're at. Hey pal.
What's up?
Oh, we can probably still use that. That's cool. That's stupid.
Whoa! You can't get to the knot, can you?
Not with that.
Yeah, Jazzy's like the one that doesn't work.
punch till I touch my first E36.
You had an E36?
No. Other than just straight up doing a front end dropout on Sage Square, this is the first E36.
Take it out of the control arm.
What, the end link?
Yeah, just the bottom end link. It is fucking trash anyways.
Well, the back one's literally broke, like on their own. I was like, why is my car rolling so much? I saw underneath the back of it, and it's not even attached to anything anymore.
Well, this is also dumb.
What?
Have it really fucking take your coilover off to take your control arm off. This is dumb.
So it's not the same as an E46?
No. Dumb.
If one won't hold it, two never
I
would.
don't like this.
Tight.
So what I've done here is I just take two hexagons and drill two U-holes that do align with hexagons. Then I extract this bit of my here is I go to this bolt to make stabilizer.
Just have a brute force it.
Christian, do we have one of those caliper hangers sitting somewhere? No, there's a worse spot. I just try not to let all the weight off of this thing.
That is a cheap coilover.
Oh, anyways, you're
I would like to start
somewhere in there is a fucking like tear in your brake line. You're replacing that, so
Yeah.
I'm letting it hang at the moment.
Well, this is officially the most snow
Yeah, so basic rundown. Pop your tie rods off. Get your sway bar off. Unbolt your control arm. Unbolt the brake caliper. Undo your ABS sensors.
You want to unplug this guy from the one in the hub. You should probably, if your brake lines are in good shape, do a way better job at like hanging them up so it's not straining your brake lines. Once you pop the knuckle off, get that out of the way. Now we're gonna pop the whole control arm off. Control arm mount in the frame, confirmed 22mm. Yeah, take your nut off, brake on it loose. Holy shit. Go ahead and get your your pickle fork stuff. It's part of it. E36s, I tell you. Alright, now fucking...
You like He-Man'd it in there and that won't come off.
Okay. E36, he said. I'm just getting started here.
Nice.
What the hell was that? Luckily, we only got to do that one more time. Why was your side so much more difficult?
I don't know.
Did it claim the pickle fork again? It did.
That'll come off at least. One little prop to the E36 actually give you fucking room to put this shit on.
How does it feel to chew 5 gum?
Like cutting up a BMW.
Oh, good. That's the right answer. Bussy. Bussy boy. Damn, you look cute up there, Ryan.
The cursor